Cheeky little look at Vechain then. Few little minutes of an update for the charts. As we can see, looking very, very good over the past week or so. That lovely clean break of this huge bear market resistance we've been stuck under for a good while. Obviously, a lot of people thinking Vechain's been dead, it's underperforming, it's never going to go back anywhere close to its all-time highs. All this nonsense that you hear all the time from people on Twitter sat there in the bear market crying because they didn't sell any of their bags from the previous bull market, which is funny and it is quite amusing, but also probably not the case at all. Being too emotional in crypto is always going to lead you to think these things, but in reality, the vast majority of quality cryptos do come back for another cycle. Everyone always touts this stat, don't they? What is it, like 90% of cryptos don't come back for another cycle? And I think it's because they include all of the shit coins that did like a tiny little pump, or they did like 100x and then rug pulled or whatever, and then everyone goes and lumps them in with this big stat of, oh, these cryptos never come back after another bull market, you have to find new ones each time, all this stuff. And in reality, they're just basically including the vast majority of all the shit coins that obviously won't come back. But in terms of big top quality altcoins, I think Vechain probably fits that bill really well. What has it got, like a 30 billion, $40 billion market cap or something? Like, this thing is not going anywhere in my opinion. Yes, it may not do 100x because obviously that's a bit ridiculous, but you can see very clearly it's finally getting its day in the sun here after this big long consolidation that we saw in between this 1.5 to 3 cent range. You can see we put a bit of a range in here, we came down, made a new swing low, and then since then we've been in that range like that, as you can see, between 1.5 cents and 3 cents. Excuse me. And now you can see very simply what's happened. It's so simple. Fibonacci pulled from the high to the low, and you can see here the break, the back test of the 0.23 Fibonacci at 2.7 cents and the 100 moving average here, and then a lovely altcoin season pump. Just absolutely come up, ripped through the bear market resistance here and also the Fibonacci level. And over the past few days, just consolidating here after this really nice move to the upside. Really, I'd probably expect a little bit of retracement here, maybe back down to retest this area around 3.5 cents. But overall, looking really strong now. Starting to get up through its Fibonacci levels finally, after lagging behind quite a lot of the larger altcoins. You know, you've seen AVAX, Cardano, Link, etc. all moving up through their fib levels, so nice to see Vechain finally coming up here, breaking its next Fibonacci level and that bear market resistance. Currently sitting at around 4.5 cents as of recording this video. Probably looking for a little bit of a retracement and then a continuation like this to the upside over the next few months going into the halving, but overall looking really solid. Very nice indeed. Let's see what happens next.